Hi everyone, my name is Vinita and I'm the senior consultant at Idea Usher. So today we are going to speak about the fitness application that we developed for one of our client in the fitness industry. So the application name is Radical Body Transformation, and today we are going to understand how does the application works, the flows, the features, and what key components you can take it from this application. So to begin with, when you download the Radical Body Transformation app, the first homepage is going to look like this. So you can just click on it for the next information. So the next information that you will be able to see is the workout, the coach, the meal, which is the integrated in this application. So you can just click on the next option and it will take you to the login side. So on the login side, you see that you have the mobile and the password. So, or you can just, log in with your Google or the Facebook account. So you can just put the mobile information and then a 6-digit OTP, you will be able to receive it. So you can, after putting all the details, you can just log in. The first home page of the app is going to look like this, where on the left hand side you can see your profile. If you click on this message application message side, so all these messages, whichever that, say suppose if it's from the trainer or if it's your working buddy, all these messages will pop in over here. Then you can also see the notification, so you can click on the reminders one, wherein if you have any reminders, say suppose the workout reminders or eating reminders or running reminders, so all these reminders would be added over here. Then the profile would look something like this. So you have to put your picture or your information, and then all these, like say suppose if you want to uh, see the my fitness stats, you can see it on your profile side. So if you have any fitness devices, so you can just integrate it with the app, and then the other information, if you want to invite, you can invite it, but that is for the pro members. So let's skip that. And so what you see on this is, first is a view challenges, the log meal, the shop gear. So the one advantage or the key features that makes it highlight from the other fitness app is that this application not only has only information about the workout, but it also has informations as in the meal plans or any workout fitness shoes or the accessories that you need to buy. So all these information we will be talking about in the next coming time. But if you just see the first thing that you will be able to see on the first page of it, it's like the steps would be counted, the calories would be counted, the blogs is one feature that makes us distinguish. So a lot of other fitness app does not has blogs or community understanding, but all these information would be available on this application. So you can just select the blogs, and then you can see say suppose workouts during the lockdown or the cardio fitness. So all this information is available over here. What you can see on the left hand side down is, let's speak about that, is community. So community as in the page of the app, you can see who all people are included, or what post is this done, or just a daily feeds of the app, you can see it over here. Then comes the workout. So all the exercises, now say suppose you have to do push-ups or lunge or burps or squats, all these informations are available over here. And if you want to do the push-ups, so the about us will have a little bit information about the push-ups, and then the instructions like how to start with it, and then if there are any precautions that you would need to take, so you can do it there. The video is also there, so you can play the video, or you can just mark it as favorites if you want. Then goes with the other things, like if you want to do the bench press, then all these informations is available. Then if you scroll down, um, if you click on the home and if you scroll down, you'll see shop from collections, you'll see the guides, you'll see the success story of the people who have done it. you'll see the guides and the success story. So if you click on the success story, you will be able to understand that, say, suppose there's a story of Anthony who lost almost 125 laps in just 9 months. You can click on it and then read how he did his transformation and, understand his story. There is also an information about how other people have done it. Now, say, suppose women loss by big post pregnancy or the female transformation. So you can all see the informations available here. Then what is more available on the home side is the live training. Now, say, suppose there are live trainings going around your place, or if there's any live training going about a particular workout session, so you can just click on it and then attend the live coach session. So, the next thing that I wanted to speak about the workout after the exercises is called the workout exercises. Now, if you want to do a circuit training which involves a 7-minute full body workout, so you can click on that and then try to understand it. That it requires no equipment and you can do it at a moderate pace. So this will give you more information about what all exercises that you need to do, and you can take the 10 seconds rest between each exercises. So this is like a full workout body plan that you can do it. Then if you want to do the chest workout, then you'll get the information the same. Let's move on to something which is very interesting on this app that makes it differ is the nutrition plan. So, what generally what we try to see in a fitness app is just the workout exercises or how many steps have you worked and how many calories have you burned. But in the Radical app, you can see the expert information about the nutrition. So, what does that mean is that if you want to plan your nutrition plan, or if you want to plan your diet plan during the time you're doing your exercises, so you can just select one plan as well. And then you can say, suppose you want to select a mixed meal plan or a weight loss plan or a body enhanced plan, so you can just select one of them. If I just click on the body enhanced plan and or the mixed meal plan, you'll get the all information, like how to start. If you want to start with 3 months or 6 months, all the information will be available, and what you can eat for breakfast, what you can eat for lunch, how much you're supposed to intake and how much you're not supposed to intake. Snacks, what are you supposed to eat, like oats, breads, or apple juice, and dinner, what you can eat it. So all this plan is available. It also shows that how much calories you're supposed to intake in per day. And then if you want to upgrade your plan, there's also an upgradation of plan over here. And if you want to see your meat log, then you can also see that how much have you consumed and how much is suggested. So this gives a very nice idea about the total diet plan or the workout plan that you have maintained. The next, if you want to understand about the shop gears which I was talking about, you can just click on this uh, on the right hand side, that's called happiness. So it's all about the shopping side, and say, suppose if you want to select the footwear, or if you want to select from the top brands like Adidas, Nike, or Puma, so you can select them. And if you want just the bottom wears or the collections, you have all yoga mats, and also you have all the informations available over here. Let me give you a demo of, say, suppose if I want to select leggings or jacket, so I can just click on it, and then I'll be able to see the information and what is the price, and also I can just add it to the cart, and then just get started, and then just proceed with it. So yes, overall, if I want to just make you understand about how does the application works, I would say that the app is divided into three parts of the workout, the nutrition plans, and also the shopping gears that you can do it. So that, as I said, that you don't have to switch from different applications or different apps to buy something. You can just do all in one. So this is like a 3-in-1 process app where you have all your workout related things covered. So this was all about in this video. I hope you would have understood about the application and you would try. See you in the next video, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.